Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to today's video. As you can see, we're opening up BRUU. BRUU is a gourmet tea club, and isn't this just the cutest box? So this cost $12 US. This does come from the UK. It's $12. I do have a code with them to save you $2, so you can get your first box for $10. And this is seriously great for tea lovers, especially if you're looking for gifts for them this holiday season. Because it's really personalized. You get to tell them all your preferences, and you also get to learn about like the tea plantations and about the tea you're getting. And I'm a nerd. I'm like a Gemini, Mercury, and Venus. I love learning things, and I feel like if anyone else is like actually into tea, no matter what their signs are, they'll love it too. It's been a while since I opened this. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. The code and link below are affiliate links, so thank you if you use them in advance. It's at no extra cost to you, but I do get a little kickback if you use them, so thank you, thank you, thank you. But let's get this cute box open. Seriously, so cute. Oh, and it says discover better tasting teas on there. Let's see if I can open this without scissors. I think so. Can I? It has these little tabs I'd show you, but my address is right there. I don't feel like doxing myself today. Oh, please. Okay. I thought I had to go get my scissors. Nope. So, yeah, I don't think my address is there. This is what it looks like. I kind of butchered the box, but super cute. It has a little tissue. Ooh, see what I'm talking about? I think you got a beautiful picture of where the tea is from too. Oh my gosh, you can hang this up. That is gorgeous. Look at all that green. Mozambique BRUU Tea Estate. And on the back, mate tea. Oh, I love mate. Oh my god, I learned about mate after my friends went to Argentina. I think I had 2 friends that studied abroad there. So we travel to BRUU. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing anything, by the way, guys, which is home to Mozambique's biggest tea estates. Due to its location in the north of the nation, getting to Maputo, the country's capital, requires a 30-hour bus or car trip. The local environment can thrive due to the separation from mainstream life, resulting in a rich biodiversity of the area. So it talks about the area and more information here. I won't read all of it. But look how gorgeous that is. And then they talk about why they love the tea. So I'll read this part a little bit. That's so cool. Look at all this information they provide and some facts. Ooh, and they tell you where they're going next month. I don't know much about Mozambique. That's really cool. So it says, in addition to being caffeinated, mate tea is also high in vitamins, amino acids, and polyphenols, all of which are healthy substances. A lot of tea connoisseurs also seek out the stronger, more bitter teas, and mate teas fulfill that demand extremely well. I remember mate is like, it's like a good kind of caffeine. I remember we would drink it to study, like, yeah, when I was at the University of Iowa. Oops, sorry if you heard that. It talks about the population. Okay, so seriously, it tells you location, even the coordinates, elevation, soil type, season, temperature, estate size, and then there's some facts here. This is so cool. See what I'm talking about? And then let's look at the picture here. That's so beautiful. If you can even really see it, but they have more information that comes with each of the teas. I think this is a little extra you get. Lupande, ooh, black tea. It gives you the amount per serving, the temperature, and how long to steep it. And look at, on here it'll talk about what this tea is. A malty black tea with a nutty character, why we love it. Lupande is much softer and more mellow than other Tanzanian teas, yet with an aromatic zest and a fine length of flavor. And then talks more about it from Tanzania. Cool. I've never heard of this tea. See, like, this is like very unique. And they have these little cards, in the corner of these little cards, you can rate the tea so you can remember if you want to get it in the future. Super useful, super cool. And that's just like a little extra bonus. Let's look at the bigger packs now. So this is, it's Darjeeling. That's cute. Here's the card for this one. This is a black tea. And look at, oh my god. So this was this before it fell off. Look how cute this is. So you get 14 grams. You can kind of get a little picture here of what the tea looks like. I love this. Resealable. So what is it? A blend of 2 harvests, balancing perfectly light and fruity flavors. Truly unique Darjeeling. Sorry again if I'm mispronouncing anything. I need to be more cultured. I'm learning. Talks about why they love it. A strong malty and aromatic leaf with a rich body. The in between we are offering XLs due to its well-worked leaf, a light amber cup, and an incomparable, slightly flowery, scented bouquet. A special tea with delicate, fine taste for a perfect Sunday afternoon. And then where it's from, and again, you can rank it. That is so cool. And then we have 2 more. Oh, this is the Lupin. Okay, so what I was saying before was the Lupin, the 12 grams. We have of that here. And then I think this is the mate here in this little bag. If I recall correctly, that's what this sample is. And then the other ones are all about my profile, so what I chose. And this is Boganapi. See, this is so cool. Like, I drink tea kind of, like, I just had tea earlier. I drink tea pretty regularly, but I learned so much. Now I don't even know what any of these kinds are. So this is another black tea. So I like caffeine. Let them know that. So black tea, if you don't know, I'm sure you guys do, has more caffeine than like green tea, for example. And there's herbal teas that don't have any caffeine in them. I make my own herbal teas too. I like to have at night. I love tea, so I'm super excited about this. Okay, let's go back to Boganapi. It's extremely rich, luxurious, and malty. Works perfectly with the cinnamon. Oh, yum. Cinnamon and orange. I love adding cinnamon to my tea. Yum. Most chai teas contain many complex ingredients, but this Bogapani tea can hold itself with just 3. Why we love it. The tea bushes on the Bogapani plantation are well established, and so the harvest is consistent year-round. More established plants also produce better tea leaves, and this Assam is no exception. Sorry, my vision's like a little bad. I keep moving this closer to me. I don't even know if you guys can really see it. I'm sorry if it's not focusing. Where it's from, Assam, a state in northeast India, is well known for its tea production along with its rich culture and vibrant environment. Awesome. It talks about the Assam Tea Festival held in November. I bet that's fun. So that was everything, you guys. And I don't think I mentioned where next month they're traveling to, where you get to learn all about Ceylon. Cool. Is that like a type of cinnamon? I don't know, but this is about tea, of course. So cool. Oh man, Ceylon cinnamon from there? I don't know, I'm blanking right now. That sounds so familiar. But this is super fun. It's exactly what I was saying in the beginning. You get to learn, you guys try different types of teas. Very cool. And it's affordable too. And it comes in your mailbox. Like, it's from another country, but it's able to ship easily. It usually arrives around the 1st of every month if you order by the 25th, I believe I read online. So I will link the website along with the code down below if you're interested in subscribing or gifting this. I also saw they have an advent calendar coming out, which is really cool. I love advent calendars. You guys, I should probably, it's November. So yeah, if you're like big into advent calendars like I am and you like tea, that's something to check out as well. You can see that in the website. I'll link down below. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know, are you a tea drinker, coffee drinker, both? Let me know how you're doing. I hope you're well. I hope you had a great weekend. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. I love you. Bye.